My sister stole my baby name, so I gave her a surprise at my sister Tessa, and I have always been close. But when it came to competition, she played to win. So when I announced my pregnancy, I expected excitement, not rivalry. I had loved the name Isla for years. Elegant, soft, and perfect. Tessa knew this, but suddenly, she became obsessed with it. Isla is such a beautiful name, she'd say, almost testing the waters. I laughed it off, but something about her tone unsettled me. Then came my baby shower. Tessa handed me a beautifully wrapped gift. Inside was a custom-made onesie and a baby blanket, both embroidered with Isla. That my heart dropped. Our surprise, she grinned, and we're trying for a baby too. And I just knew Isla would be perfect for our future daughter. I swallowed my anger. She had claimed my baby's name before I could even use it. But fine, I wouldn't fight her for it. I'd simply outlay her. When my daughter was born, I named her Hazel. Tessa seemed relieved until a year later when she finally got pregnant. We're having a girl, she announced, beaming, and we're naming her Isla. I smiled. Oh really? That's funny. Her face twisted in confusion. What do you mean? I pulled out a framed birth certificate to meet my second daughter. Isla, the color drained from her face. You did that on purpose. I just sipped my coffee. Guess you'll have to find another perfect name.